Now let us see the concepts of tuple. What is tuple and what can be done with the tuple? Okay. So what is tuple? What is tuple? Okay. So first one, a tuple is a built-in Python data structure. It's a built-in Python data structure used to store multiple values in a single variable. Multiple values in a single variable. Multiple values in a single variable. So how to create a tuple? So how it would be point number two, how it would be and how to create a tuple. So normally a tuple will be always inside a parenthesis case. So tuple, how to create? So normally it is created inside a parenthesis. For example, fruits, apple, okay, banana, and then cherry. So this is tuple. Okay, so it is suppose a equal to 10, comma, 11, comma, 12. This is a tuple. And do remember one thing, tuple, it can consist of both new textual data and numeric data also. So it can consist both textual data and numeric data. And next third point. What is the third point? Tuples are ordered collection of objects. So what are tuples? They are ordered collection of objects. Tuples are ordered. So that means they have index. Suppose for example, A equal to 10, comma, 11, comma, 12, comma, apple. So each and every item has index and indexing will start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, fourth and important point. So tuples are immutable. Tuples are immutable. Okay, so what is the meaning of immutable? Adding a element is not possible, deleting a element is not possible. For example, here I have a equal to 10, comma, 20, comma, 30. So these are the elements. Suppose I want to add 40. No, I cannot do that one. Suppose I want to remove this 10. No, I can't remove that one. Okay. So tuples are immutable. Next, fifth point. Tuple allows duplicate values. Tuples allow duplicate values. Okay. Example. A equal to 10, comma, 10, comma, 1, comma, 1, comma, 2. So if you see 10 is repeating twice, 1 is repeating twice. So that means tuple can have duplicate values. This is what you need to remember. And next, sixth point. Sixth point. Tuple supports positive and negative indexing. Tuple supports positive and negative index. Like how our list is doing. So tuple A equal to 10, comma, 11, comma, 12, comma, 13. So what it has an index of, if you see, indexing from left hand side to right hand side, 0, 1, 2, 3. Indexing from right hand side to left hand side. This is negative indexing. -1, -2, -3, -4. So the point is tuple supports positive indexing as well as negative index. Okay. Next, point number 7. Tuples can contain different data types. Tuples can contain different data types. Okay, so it can contain different data types cases. Generally, uh, different data types like we can have strings, you can have textual data, you can have float data and other things. Okay, next 8 point. Tuples can be nested. Even you can have nested tuples also. You can have nested tuples also. So A, so example A equal to, so you can have nested tuples also. Right? And next thing, tuples, this is one of the speciality of tuples case. So what is first speciality? It is immutable. Second speciality is it uses, tuples uses less memory than list. So tuple is almost all same as list guys. But only thing is tuple is immutable, but lists are mutable. Okay. So when I say tuples are immutable means tuples does not have, tuples do not have. So what are the things it will not have? First one, it will not have remove method. Second thing, it will not have pop method. Not only remove pop, you will not have append, you will not have extend, you will not have insert also. So these methods will not have in tuple case. Okay, so this is about tuple. Fine. So I repeat again. Try to understand tuple. So first point, what are tuples, and also if you see in detail what are tuples, what is tuple? A tuple is a built-in Python data structure used to store multiple values in a single variable. So how this tuple is created? This tuple is created within the parenthesis. So what are the different characteristics of a tuple? Tuple are first ordered. That means they have indexing. Second is tuples are immutable. That means adding a element or deleting a element is not possible. And next, tuple supports both positive indexing and negative indexing. And next, tuples can contain different data types. Next, tuples can be nested. And next, another important point. Tuples generally uses less memory than equivalent to list. Next, tuples can be used for data that should not be changed. So do remember guys, in real time example, for what examples we use this tuple is we use tuple for things which should not be changed. For example, weekdays. So weekdays, we'll have only 7 days, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. You cannot remove Sunday or you cannot add a new day, wonderful day, powerful day, like that. Or you cannot remove from the weekdays Sunday or Monday or anything like that. So for something which should not be changed, we use tuples case. For example, in real-time example, suppose student hall ticket numbers are there. So hall ticket numbers, we should not remove or add. So for example, days in a calendar. For example, February month has 28 days. Okay, so you cannot add 30th day or you cannot remove 28th day, something. Okay, so these are examples of tuples. Okay, so that is what tuple is. Fine. So I guess you might have understood what is tuple. Now, practically, let us see what is tuple and other things. So if you see t equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, so this is a tuple. So what is t? It is a tuple. Now, t equal to coffee comma 2. So what is this? This is a tuple. So if you see here we have numeric data. Here you have textual data and numeric data. Correct. So that is triple. And next, T of 0. Okay. So what I am doing? T of 0. So T of 0, if you see this, the index, so this is the index. What is the index? This is 0 index. This is 1 index. So at 0 index, what I want to do, I want to insert T over here. Okay, so what I'm doing, I want to insert T. So right, see what it is saying, tuple does not support item assignment. So you cannot add a element or you cannot delete a element. Okay. Now, if you ask for type of T, so type what it will do, it will give what type it is. So T is a tuple. So what we have to get? We have to get tuple. See, we got it now. Next. So that is our sense. Let me take see where is tuple. Yeah. So T. So T equal to R Python Hadoop Spark. Okay. So some methods case. So tuple will have things like in. Okay, suppose if you want to find a element, you can find elements with some methods. So what are that? Let us see. So T equal to R Python Hadoop Spark. So what is T? T is a tuple. Okay, it consists of R Python Hadoop Spark. Fine. Now R in T. So what we are doing? We are checking for R in T. Yes, R is there. So what we have to get? We have to get a true. Okay. Next. A in T. If you see, we don't have any A over here. Okay, so Hadoop is there, A is there, but it is in Hadoop. It is in particular element. Okay, no specific element with A. So what we have to get? We have to get false. Okay, again T. Correct. So this is T. Now Hadoop in T. Yes, Hadoop is there in T. So what we have to get? We have to get that. Okay. Now SP in T. We have Spark SP here, but it is not an element. So what you have to get? We have to get a false. Okay. Next, Spark in T, we'll get a 2. Now A in T2. So this is T, right? This is T. Now T of 2. So according to the index, what we have to get? Okay, so R is 0 index, 0, 1, 2, 3. So T2, T of 2, what we have to get outside? We have to get this Hadoop outside. Okay, run that one. So we got a Hadoop outside. Now what I am asking is A in T2. Is A in T2? Correct? Is A there in T2, guys? T2 is Hadoop. What I am asking is A in T2. Yes, A is there. So what we have to get? We have to get it. Okay. So these are some things which you need to remember, guys. And these are sets. Okay. So fine. So this is about a touch of tuple. So I had told you enough regarding tuple. So let us move to the next concept, next data structure, that is sets.